see the hooves. Come on. Yeah, you're almost there. Good girl. Good girl. All right. Good girl.
There's the head.
Good girl. Give me my gloves, quick. Okay, girl. In the basket. Right? Quickly, those plastic ones, quickly.
Oh, it just came out all the way.
Good. Are you filming?
Yeah, I'm filming.
Oh, hell, Ben. We gotta get her breathing. Okay, girl. Okay. Okay. Here we go, Mama. Here we go.
Let me come over here.
She breathing? Okay, yeah, get it out. Get it out. Give me my other glove.
Ben.
Put it on me. Put it on me. Good job, girl. It's a dark one.
Yeah. Like Rocky.
Yeah. Okay. That went fast, didn't it?
Yeah.
For pre-labor to labor.
Well, there's more probably, right?
Mm-hmm. I'm sure there's at least one more. She's still trying to get all the phlegm out.
Sugar seems too small to be having a baby.
Uh-huh. She was our baby last year.
That's a tiny baby. Like a kitten almost.